Making money online will be very easy with this unique strategy that I have for you today. You can get paid with PayPal money and get started from anywhere in the world. If you're interested, make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this tutorial so you can get the desired results. Just before we get to the video, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you can get notified each time I upload a brand new strategies just like these ones here on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask any question. So with that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to show you how you can combine two websites for today in order to make this strategy work. So what you need to do is to go over to the first platform, which is called Veefly, and it's over at veefly.com. This is a platform where you can come in order to make your YouTube video go viral. They help you get more engagement on your YouTube video by promoting it to relevant audience using Google Ads. They have delivered more than 500 million of views. Also, they have more than 25,000 of successful campaigns and more than 9,000 of happy clients. But I want to clarify something, that you don't need to create a YouTube video and then promote it in order to go viral. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to grow the views of your YouTube videos, you can do that. But today this is not our focus. We are going to focus on another thing actually in order to make money with Veefly and not spend money. So what you need to do is to first of all go over to some of the features that this platform offers. You're going to see how it works step by step. You can paste your YouTube video URL or address in order to get real YouTube views. It's going to be easy as that. You can even enter keywords and select countries if you want to target the right audience from a specific country. You're going to see that they offer real YouTube views, subscribers and likes. So once the ad is up and running, your views, likes and subscribers will start pouring in. So why people choose Veefly? So all of the views are real, no bots, no fake views. So you have engagement from real people. You can even see and track all of your progress into your own dashboard that I'm going to show you in a minute. You're going to see that you can start with a very little actually, and also some other features that Veefly offers. Down here you have some testimonials from people that are using Veefly. So what I want you to do is first of all to come over to veefly.com, and after that you can just click on the register button in the upper right corner. After that you can continue with your Google account, which is a lot faster and a lot easier because it just required one click of a button. Or you can put your information manually, like your first name, last name, email address, password, retype the password, agree to a privacy policy and terms of service, and click on the sign up button. Once you do so, you'll be able to verify your account because they're going to send you an email, so check your inbox and then you'll be able to log in. This is how it's going to look like. This is the dashboard that I mentioned even before. You're going to see in the left hand side that you can promote a video. You have your campaigns here, reports, payments, funds, ticket, affiliates and free views. So you can even get free views. As you can see, they do offer affiliate programs, so you can get paid in passive income by promoting a Veefly. So you can do that if you want to, but I'm going to focus on another thing. So I'm going to focus actually on drop servicing. So if you don't know what this is, drop servicing is basically making money offering a service that you are not doing yourself, but rather paying someone else to do it for you. So in our case, what we'll be doing is offering to promote videos for people, and when some of them pay us, you will take that money, pay Veefly to promote that video in question and profit from that. And this is possible because Veefly is actually really cheap, just like I mentioned before, and meanwhile people are charging big money for growing views on YouTube videos. That of course begs the question where you can find people to offer to promote their videos. The most common answer to that will be a freelancing website. So what you need to do is to go over to Fiverr.com. You can even go over to People Per Hour, SEO Clerks, Guru and so on. So you can search even on Google for different freelancing websites and just open one of them, or even multiple ones, because in this way you can maximize your results. So I've searched for YouTube views, so I can show you some examples. So you're going to see people here that are charging from $10, but even more actually, and are making a lot of money by just promoting other people's YouTube videos. So as you can see, I've opened up this example over here. This person has a lot of sales, actually more than 600 of them, because as you may know, not all of people that purchase something leave a feedback. So he has managed to make a lot more sales than this. He offers like the basic package with $30, the standard one $40, the premium one $100. So if you make a calculation with the basic plan, you're going to see that this person has managed to make more than $17,000, but he has managed to make even more actually, because not all of people went for the basic one. They can go even for the premium one, which costs a lot more. So he has managed to make a lot of money, thousands of dollars. So what you need to do is like just posting a gig, just like this person here. You can charge $30 for the basic one, and after that you can go over to Veefly, over to your dashboard, go on the promote new video, and here you're going to just paste the YouTube link and click on promote now. Here on add funds, you're going to see that you can just start with even $10, and if you go over to their homepage once again and scroll a little bit down, you're going to see that every $10 will get you 800 up to 1,500 of views. So by just paying Veefly like $10, you're going to get a profit for $20. You're going to charge $30, you're going to wait for someone to pay you, and then you're going to take that money, you're going to pay Veefly like $10, and you're going to profit $20 out of that. So you're going to do the same thing with all the other packages as well. They're going to charge even more here, and then you're going to pay Veefly just a portion of that, and you're going to get your profit, which is pretty awesome. So this is a perfect strategy actually that you can do because you are not going to invest any money up front. You can wait for people to pay you for that service. After that, just take that money and you can give Veefly a portion of that, because as I showed you, Veefly is charging a really cheap, and then you're going to paste that YouTube video here, and Veefly is going to do all of the work. It's pretty easy actually. Over at add funds, you're going to just add a portion of that money that I mentioned before. So in order to maximize your results, you can even open up some other freelancing websites, just like I mentioned before, that I told you to even go over to Google. So like this, you can find even more customers. You're going to have different accounts on these freelancing websites, and this means that more customers can contact you, and you can do this strategy with drop servicing again and again. So I highly recommend you start with this strategy, and let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. So this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. You can get notified when I upload brand new strategies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.